At some point, we've all wished to be stronger. It's a common desire. Today, we're going to explore how to turn that wish into reality. Before we jump into the details, I noticed that only a small percentage of you are subscribed. If you find this content helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button. Strength isn't just about physical power. Mental toughness plays an equally important role. When others count on you during tough times, it not only boosts your self-worth but also earns their trust and respect. True strength is multifaceted. It's about building physical power, mental resilience, and practical skills. Your muscles should serve a purpose, and that's what we'll be discussing in this video. Let's start with physical strength. To build stronger muscles, you need to engage in exercises that challenge your body, breaking down muscle fibers so they can rebuild stronger. Different exercises like calisthenics, bodybuilding, and powerlifting offer unique benefits. Personally, I favor calisthenics because it works multiple muscle groups and enhances flexibility and overall fitness. Incorporating weights into these exercises, like weighted pull-ups and push-ups, can significantly boost muscle strength. If your goal is to increase muscle size and mass, bodybuilding might be your best bet. Unlike calisthenics, bodybuilding focuses on isolating and growing specific muscles. However, it's important to balance this with flexibility exercises to maintain a full range of motion. Whichever method you choose, remember that rest, sleep, and proper nutrition are just as crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Consistency in your workouts, diet, and sleep routine will not only make you physically stronger but also elevate your confidence. But strength isn't just about building muscle, it's also about making those muscles functional. This is where skill-based strength comes into play. Practicing martial arts like boxing, wrestling, kickboxing, Muay Thai, Taekwondo, and karate can help you defend yourself and protect those you care about. For instance, kickboxing hones your striking and kicking abilities, enhancing your defensive skills. Muay Thai is another powerful discipline, known for its effective use of elbows and knees. While striking is crucial, grappling techniques are equally important. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, for example, focuses on ground combat, teaching you to overcome opponents regardless of their size. Judo and wrestling are also excellent for mastering throws and takedowns. Finally, let's talk about mental strength. Mental toughness is all about staying focused on your goals and not letting obstacles derail you. It takes a lot of willpower to push past laziness and remain dedicated to your objectives. By combining physical, mental, and skill-based strength, you can become a well-rounded, resilient individual capable of handling whatever life throws at you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.